Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy phone looks more aesthetic. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see guys, I'm using the default theme and I think it's kind of boring, so I'm going to change it to make my Samsung Galaxy phone become more aesthetic. If we want to do that, we can go to the Galaxy themes on our Samsung Galaxy phone. You can tap and hold on any empty area on your home screen, and then you can go to the themes option. Okay, and this is the Galaxy themes, and right here guys, we will be able to access a lot of themes that we'll like. And I'm going to search for the aesthetic themes. We can go to the search button. Okay, for example, I'm going to search for sky theme. Okay, and I'm going to filter it so we can get the top 3 theme. Okay, and these are the sky themes we can use, and I'm just going to select maybe this one guys. I'm going to click on it, and then before we apply this theme to our phone, we have to download this theme. Click on download, and you have to wait until the theme has been already downloaded. Okay, now it's done, and you can click on apply to apply this theme to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, now it's done guys, and as you can see, my Samsung Galaxy theme has been changed and it looks more aesthetic, right? It looks more aesthetic than before, than the default theme. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our Samsung Galaxy phone looks more aesthetic. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.